Well, what a game we have in store for you today. The hype has been building all week and we're just moments away from kick-off time. Stay tuned for the live action. Hello and a warm welcome to the Donbass Arena, this vast venue in Donetsk. I'm Derek Ray and joining me to provide expert analysis is the former England attacker, Silva. And no question, this ought to be a game that gets pulses racing. What are your expectations for today?
Well, I'm sure both managers will have given them the final instructions. Go out and give it their all. Hopefully, that'll be enough for a positive result. I'm looking forward to this one.
A look at the starting 11 today.
Yeah, it's a 4-5-1, but it will morph into a 4-2-3-1. A single centre forward will be supported by the number 10, and you'd expect them to rotate and swap positions just to try and drag defenders out. The wide midfielders, they'll offer a threat in behind.
This is what they'll be facing today.
Well, it's very similar, isn't it? It's so important that the number 9 isn't left isolated. Both teams are going to have to make sure that they get players in and around them when they get forward.
And we're off. The first half begins with plenty of anticipation in the air. Effective press. He wasn't likely to get away with that. Almero. Cuadrado. No luck for Neymar in the passing department.
Yeah, he was on to that before it even happened.
And players waiting at the far post. Well, it's a wild attempt. He needed something better. Offside, however.
Well, he was so glad that the flag was raised there because what a poor finish that was.
Working so hard to win back possession. And support available. Well, it came to nothing in the end, and this could be threatening. A bold effort from there, and it could have gone in.
Oh, it is, and I didn't expect him to shoot from there, but he's got the belief in his ability to try it, and that was not far off.
Error for the keeper. Will they seize on it?
Yes, sloppy there. At least they've got time to recover, though, haven't they?
Ibarbo. wait for the chance. We get a quite the blast, but nowhere close to the goal. That's useful play. Driving his team forward. And there it is, the opening goal, 1-0, and they'll feel they deserve it.
Here we can see it again, and he just hits this so sweetly. He knew as soon as he connected with it that this was going in.
And the ball moving again. What sort of response will we see from them now? Very quick thinking there. The pressure was on Marcelo. Subtlety about that free kick, I'm afraid. Clean challenge. Plenty of support here. Hulk. Pass over the top in Neymar's direction. He's threatening. Solid piece of defending when it looked as though it might go wrong for them. And now with Aguilar. Intercepting it.
Well, here we can see it again. You do have to feel for the keeper. He's left completely exposed at the back, and he never really had much of a chance. It's poor defending, you have to say.
So underway again, following the goal that made things level. Ibarbo. What can he do with it now? And still looking for space. Well, he opted for power from close range. He might be regretting that now. Clever piece of defending. Promising attack this. And making sure that... And they've been awarded a penalty! Well, he's avoided a booking, but the complaints continue.
Yeah, and I can understand the frustrations. He's lucky not to get a card there.
This to give them the lead again. And the spot kick is converted as calmly as you like.
if we watch this again, he's got to just dive, predict which way he thinks he's going to go. He doesn't, and it makes for an easy finish in the end.
So the ball is rolling again, 2-1 the scoreline. Using all his defensive acumen to cut it out. Paulinho likes to run with the ball at his feet. Paulinho's delivery. Nothing for the players in the middle to work with. There to take it away. About that pass. Really straightforward for the goalkeeper. Here's Rodríguez. Well, a good tackle. And the referee blows for a foul. So 2 minutes of stoppage time to be added on. Ibarbo. And a brisk run. He wasn't holding back with that challenge. And a feeling of dread as he learns his fate.
Yeah, and they'll have to readjust at the back now, won't they?
The managers will now deliver their half-time. So back underway, and an intriguing second half in prospect. Aguilar. Oh, bruising past him. Well, he's already found the net once, but out of luck this time.
Yeah, you can tell he's lively. He's finding little pockets around the goal more and more now.
Who can they pick out? Well, it did look promising for a bit. Sanchez. And now Rodríguez on the ball. This looks promising. And the keeper able to hold on to it. Thiago Silva. Oh, got into position brilliantly. Ibarbo. And in the right position to make sure it didn't go all the way through. Both sides finding it very challenging to keep the ball at the moment.
Yeah, they need to sharpen up a bit.
Running room in the wide position. Chance to play it in. Such an ambitious run. A chance to extend the lead. And confidently converted.
Again, and the keeper clearly expected him to go down the middle, but unfortunately for him, it's made for a simple finish.
Well, the action continues, and no shortage of goals. 3-1 as things stand. That wasn't great, was it?
It's a difficult technique and he gets it all wrong. It's well off target.
Well, plays with a positional sense that is second to none. Paulinho. And now Hulk. Strong but fair tackle. This looks more than decent. To run it into the area here. And you need your defender to take charge. Textbook example of how to cut it out. Well, good run and good ball control. Trying to deliver it accurately. No defensive resilience there. Well, that's how to outwit your opponent. Chance to shoot. Keeper had it covered. Can he deliver it with accuracy? Well, didn't really make the keeper work terribly hard. Good pick out the teammates. Cross towards the lead pass. The back to good but straightforward claim by the keeper. Good challenge and a throw-in coming up. Couldn't keep it. Now options are plenty. His way infield is Cuadrado. Oh, that's brilliant play. Well, he certainly caused all of that, but was never going to trouble the keeper in the end. Goal kick it is. And they will make the change now. Hulk. Oscar with it. Decent looking pass. Ibarbo. Trying to really get at the opposition here. Electing to shoot. And that's handled without any trouble at all. Neymar. intercept. And the referee has added on 2 minutes of stoppage time. Rodríguez. Cuadrado. Oh, it might be. And there goes the final whistle. And the home fans are going to be happy about this outcome.
Yeah, it was fairly comfortable in the end, wasn't it? Thought they controlled the middle of the park for the most part. And going forward, there was some real nice, incisive play too. It was a good result.
No two ways about it. He really has brought his influence to bear on the proceedings.
Yeah, well, he gave the back line a torrid time, didn't he? He was far too sharp for them. Always looking to play on the shoulder. Took his goals well too. Clearly the difference maker today.